Hi there, hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to have a quick tutorial on an AI-powered website that is called Invideo. So Invideo allows you to do a couple of things to your videos. So for example, when you come here, you will see here where it's written templates. So here you can find a whole lot of templates that are customized to whatever video that you would want. So you just need to search for the one that suits best for the video you want to create. And we also have this option that is written AI text to video. And we also have these other two features as well. But for today, we are going to focus on the templates. So I want to show you how you can create a professional video using InVideo without having to start from scratch. You can simply use the templates that are already there. So for example, you want to create a video, you are a real estate agent or investor, and you want to create a video about real estate home buying myths. So this is for YouTube Shorts. So I'm just going to select use this template. So once you select that, it will allow you to be able to edit the templates for you to customize them in order to have your desired outcome. So once it loads the templates, it's going to show you this page. And here you have an option to drag and drop or upload your media. So whatever image that you would want to replace these images that are already there with, let's say you are showing the houses that you have flipped, you can show the real pictures here by simply dragging the images and uploading them here. So this is how you can do it, and you can as well change the text. So let me show you how you can do it. So here it's written home buying. And if you want to change the text, you just come here and you type. So I would write home buying with grace, just to show you that you can simply change this. So yeah, like this is already changed. So you can change all the text that you want to change here as well. And down here as well, you have an option where you can put music here. So here there is already music that is already there. But let's say you would want to look for another music. You simply come here where it's written music, and there are a lot of music that are here, or you can search also here by the genre, and also and you can edit here as well. So this is pretty much simple and easy for you to be able to make a very nice video. And you can come here as well if you would want to add your logo. So you come here logo, and you can upload your logo as well. And let's say you want to add some elements, let's say maybe some email, the logo of Gmail or the logo of WhatsApp, and after that you put your WhatsApp number, or after the logo of Gmail you put your email address. So you can come here where it's written elements, and you can simply type in here what you want to search, and it will show you. So let me say Gmail. Okay, so once you search, you have here the logos of Gmail. So you just select the one that best suits you. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to edit. So once I edit, it's going to be here, and you can as well resize it. If you want it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want it smaller, you can make it smaller as well. So it's completely up to you. And you can do this with any element that you would want to search. And let's say you want to add some text here, you can come here, add text as well. And I think this is simply this is the simple way that you can use Invideo for you to create your videos simple and fast. And we are going to explore more about this AI powered website. So keep tuned as I will bring another video explaining other features that Invideo has. So I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.